Why do you sleep all night and still feel exhausted? Nearly 1 billion adults worldwide have sleep apnea. And it's not just snoring or poor quality of sleep. It's a condition where the airflow to your heart, your brain, your lungs repeatedly stops while you're sleeping. Every time that happens, your body goes into stress mode. Your heart rate spikes, your sleep gets disrupted, and your body never fully recovers overnight. If you're waking up tired, gasping, getting morning headaches, or your partner notices loud snoring pauses, don't ignore it. Those elbows to the chest are a warning sign for you. Sleep apnea is a total body health issue. Catching it early can make a real difference in your quality of life.